Have you ever imagined that our solar system may still be hiding another planet, a dark, frozen world silently moving beyond Pluto, completely invisible to us? What if scientists are not searching for aliens anymore, but for an entire hidden planet? And what if this mysterious world has already left clues across the solar system? This is the terrifying and fascinating mystery of planet Y. For centuries, humans believed we already knew our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. But history has taught us something important. Sometimes planets hide. Back in 1781, an English astronomer named William Herschel was scanning the night sky using a telescope he built himself. He was actually searching for comets, but instead he discovered something strange. That object later became known as Uranus. Years later, astronomers noticed something even stranger. Uranus was not moving the way it should. Its orbit had a teeny wobble, not huge, but enough to make scientists suspicious. Then came a brilliant French mathematician named Rubin Observatory. Using only math and pencil and paper calculation, he predicted that another hidden planet must be pulling on Uranus with gravity. And when astronomers pointed their telescopes toward the exact location he predicted, they found Neptune, exactly where the math said it would be. Think about that for a second. Humans discovered an entire planet before actually seeing it. And now something similar may be happening again. Now, the return of the mystery. Fast forward to 2016. Two scientists from California Institute of Technology, Mike Brown and Konstantin Batygin, noticed something strange happening far beyond Pluto. They were studying icy objects in the Kuiper Belt. The Kuiper Belt is the giant frozen region filled with ancient rocks, dwarf planets, and leftover debris from the birth of our solar system. But these distant objects were behaving oddly. Their orbits were clustered together in a way that should not be happen naturally. It looked like something massive was pulling on them. That led scientists to an incredible possibility: a hidden giant planet. Something possible 5 to 10 times heavier than Earth. A mysterious world now known as Planet 9. But here is where things get even crazier. While scientists search for Planet 9, they discovered another mystery. Something different, something much closer, something they now call Planet Y. The Kuiper Belt warp. To understand Planet Y, we first need to understand the outer solar system. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt. Imagine a giant flat disk of icy debris surrounding our solar system. Most objects there should orbit in a neat flat plane, kind of like a vinyl record spinning smoothly. But astronomers recently noticed something disturbing. Between about 80 and 200 astronomical units from the Sun, part of this disk is warped, tilted, bent by around 15 degrees. And according to physics, that should not happen. Over billions of years, the gravity of giant planets like Jupiter and Neptune should have flattened everything out. But the warp is still there, which means something is actively pulling on these icy objects right now. Something hidden in the darkness. At first, many people thought this must be Planet 9. But there is a huge problem. Planet 9 is believed to orbit extremely far away, possibly between 400 and 800 astronomical units from the Sun. That is unbelievably distant. For comparison, Voyager 1, the farthest spacecraft ever launched, is only about 165 astronomical units away. Planet 9 may be several times farther than that. And scientists realized something important. Planet 9 is too far away to create this specific 15-degree warp. So if Planet 9 is not causing it, then what is? The discovery of Planet Y. Researchers at Princeton University decided to investigate. They ran advanced computer simulations. They mapped the strange tilt in the Kuiper Belt, and they asked a terrifying question. What kind of hidden object could create this exact gravitational signature? The answer shocked them. Not a giant gas planet, not another Neptune, but a rocky terrestrial world, possibly somewhere between the size of Mercury and Earth, a hidden Earth-sized planet. Scientists call this possible world Planet Y. And if Planet Y is real, It could completely rewrite everything we know about the formation of our solar system. How did planet Y get there? Here is the problem. According to current planetary science, a rocky planet should not form that far away from the Sun. There simply should not have been enough material out there. So scientists came up with two mind-blowing possibilities. Possibility number one, planet Y formed closer to the Sun billions of years ago, maybe alongside Earth and Mars. But during the violent early days of the solar system, giant planets like Jupiter may have flung it outward into deep space. Basically, planet Y may be a lost sibling of Earth, a frozen exile planet wandering the outer darkness forever. Now possibility number two is even crazier. Planet Y may not belong to our solar system at all. It could be a rogue planet, a wandering world drifting through interstellar space after being ejected from another star system. And somehow our Sun captured it with gravity. Imagine that. An alien planet secretly hiding inside our own solar system. What would planet Y look like? If planet Y exists, it would be one of the coldest places imaginable, at around 150 astronomical units from the Sun. Sunlight would be incredibly weak. The Sun itself would look like just another bright star in the sky. There would be almost no warmth. Temperatures could be only a few dozen degrees above absolute zero, cold enough to freeze gases like nitrogen and methane solid. The surface would likely be dark, frozen, silent, and completely lifeless. A world trapped in endless night. But despite being invisible to us, its gravity may still be shaping the outer solar system right now. Why have not we found it yet? So here is the big question. If planet Y might be as large as Earth, why have not we seen it yet? Because space is unimaginably huge. At that distance, planet Y receives only a teeny amount of sunlight, and if its surface is covered in dark carbon-rich ice, it would reflect almost no light back to Earth. That makes it incredibly difficult to detect. Also, a planet that far away moves extremely slowly. One orbit around the Sun could take more than 1800 years. So astronomers cannot simply point a telescope once and spot it. They must carefully compare thousands of images over long periods of time, searching for one tiny moving dot in the darkness. the Vera Rubin Observatory. But now scientists may finally have the technology to find it. High in mountains of Chile sits one of the most powerful observatories ever built, the Vera C Rubin Observatory. This incredible observatory features an 8.4 meters mirror and the largest digital camera ever created for astronomy. A massive 3200 megapixel camera. Over the next decade, it will repeatedly scan the entire southern night sky, again and again, watching for anything that moves. And that makes it perfect for hunting hidden worlds like Planet Y. If Planet Y is really out there, the Vera Rubin Observatory might finally reveal it. The conclusion? Think about how incredible this would be. A brand new planet discovered in our own cosmic backyard. Not another giant gas world, but possibly a frozen Earth-sized planet hiding in darkness. A lost sibling of Earth, or maybe even an alien world captured from another star system. For hundreds of years, humanity believed the solar system was fully mapped. But the mystery of Planet Y reminds us of something powerful. Space still has secrets, and maybe the next great planetary discovery is waiting just beyond the edge of the light. So what do you think? Is Planet Y real? Could there truly be another hidden world beyond Pluto? Comment your thoughts below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more incredible space mysteries. Because out there in the darkness, anything is possible.